Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, you've picked the perfect time to tune in. Today I'm diving into a deep review of TraderSync, an online trading journal that's just released its NextGen update. This new update is packed with enhancements aimed at giving you even more control and insight into your trading strategies, and I can't wait to show you what it's all about. So, why does TraderSync stand out? If you've ever struggled to keep track of your trades or found it tough to stick to your trading plan, this platform might be exactly what you need. TraderSync is built to help traders. Whether you're dealing with stocks, FX, options, or futures, analyze and refine your strategies. It seamlessly integrates with over 900 brokers and exchanges, making trade tracking almost effortless. But more on the features later. Right now, I want to get into the background of TraderSync and what makes it so trusted among traders. TraderSync was founded in 2014 by David Olivares, a trader with a passion for creating tools that could genuinely help others succeed in the markets. Based in Calgary, Canada, David and his team set out to build a platform that wasn't just another generic trading journal, but a comprehensive tool that could transform how traders approach their strategies. Over the years, TraderSync has grown from a simple idea into a highly respected platform in the trading community, with a strong reputation for helping traders identify and correct bad habits. The platform's overall Trustpilot rating is an impressive 4.7 out of 5 from nearly 200 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability and the value it brings to its users. Let's take a quick look at what users are saying about TraderSync. Personally, I like to look at numerous reviews to get a better overall feel for strengths and weaknesses of the platform. The feedback is consistently positive, with many traders praising the platform for its ease of use and effectiveness. One user highlighted how TraderSync made it easier to identify repetitive trading behaviors and improve strategies by importing data directly from First Trade. Another user expressed that TraderSync has been a game changer in helping them avoid consistently losing trades, especially with its seamless integration with thinkorswim. These reviews show that TraderSync is more than just a journal. It's a critical tool that traders rely on to enhance their performance and achieve better results. Now, let's dive into the core of TraderSync, its NextGen journal features. These are designed to not only streamline your trading experience, but also to give you the edge you need to optimize every trade. TraderSync's NextGen journal is packed with advanced features that cater to both novice and experienced traders. Whether you're dealing with stocks, FX, options, or futures, this online trading journal has everything you need to enhance your trading strategies and improve your trading performance. One of the most exciting additions is the AI Assistant. This feature acts as a Q&A engine, giving you deeper insights into your trading behavior. It's like having a personal trading coach guiding you through your trading patterns and helping you avoid trading mistakes. Alongside this, the strategy tracker allows you to build a checklist of your trading rules, ensuring that you're sticking to your trading plan. Another highlight is the backtester, a feature that lets you backtest your trading strategies without needing programming skills. Combined with faster analytics, up to 10x quicker, you'll be able to analyze your trades more efficiently, making it easier to spot opportunities and risks in your trading activity. The market replay feature is another game changer. It now boasts up to 20x faster loading speeds, allowing you to review your trade setups and price action with incredible detail. This function is invaluable for day traders and active traders alike, providing the hindsight needed to refine future trades. The NextGen journal also introduces a customizable dashboard with drag-and-drop widgets, giving you complete control over your trading data. The journal enhancements include a rich note-taking section and a customizable layout that allows you to focus on what's most relevant to you, whether that's the best exit points on charts or detailed trade-specific analytics. In terms of reporting, TraderSync has taken things up a notch with snapshot reporting and benchmark analysis. You can now compare your trading strategy against market indices and even switch between reporting and net versus gross. Their AI-driven insights continue to provide actionable feedback, helping you refine your trading style and improve your overall trading performance. When it comes to pricing, TraderSync offers several plans tailored to different trading needs. The free plan is a great starting point, especially for beginners, though it requires manual trade entry and offers only basic features. For traders looking to unlock more advanced capabilities, the Pro plan at $29.95 per month includes automatic trade imports, interactive charts, and a wide range of reporting tools, making it ideal for active traders. For those who require even more in-depth analytics, the Premium plan at $49.95 per month expands on the Pro plan by adding detailed reports like sector and market cap analysis and comprehensive P&L tracking. Finally, at the top tier, the Elite plan at $79.95 per month offers everything in the premium plan, plus AI-powered insights, automatic target stop-loss tracking, and the market replay feature. This plan is designed for traders who want the most comprehensive tools to optimize their strategies and refine their trading behavior. Each plan is structured to provide value based on the level of trading activity and the specific needs of the trader, ensuring that whether you're just starting or are an experienced trader, there's an option that fits your goals. So, to wrap up, if you're looking to take your trading to the next level, I believe TraderSync offers the tools you need to analyze, optimize, and refine your strategies. With features like AI-driven insights, a customizable dashboard, and the market replay function, this platform is designed to help traders of all levels enhance their performance. And here's a little bonus. Save 15% on any TraderSync plan with the coupon code MM15. Thanks for tuning into this review on the Modest Money channel. If you're thinking about trying TraderSync, check out the links in the description to get started. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading insights. Don't forget those discounts in the description. See you in the next video.